Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 8009030, then let's look at the solutions. So the only solution here is to fix certain things in the registry, and this problem usually happens with when we try to use MS Outlook. So just a bit of info there. We'll go to registry editor, search for registry editor. Yes, and we will look for H key current user. In current user, we will look for software, expand software. Then we will look for Microsoft and expand it. In Microsoft, we will look for the Office folder, and here it is. We will expand it. And in the Office folder 16.0, we will expand it and we will click on Common. In Common, now we will right click, New, and we will create a new key, and we will name that key identity, IDENTITY. Enter. Now in identity, I will click on it, and on this side I will right click, new, and I will create a dword 32-bit value file. So dword 32-bit, and I will name it ENABLE in capital letters ADAL. Please remember that the nomenclature, the naming should be the same. So I will name it ENABLE ADAL, and even the small letters and the capital letters should be the same. All right, I cleared this. Now I will right click on it and I will click modify. I will change the value data to 1. If it is 1, let it be 1. If it was 0, then change it to 1 and click OK. And restart the computer, and this should solve the error code. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.